Today's recipe is banana bread, so delicious and nutritious, and is moist, and you will love it. Stay with me to see the recipe. It's very easy to make, not that much ingredients, but the taste is so good, so moist and delicious. And you see how it's brown from the outside and the inside, it's moist and good. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will make banana bread together, a moist, delicious and nutritious banana bread. For the ingredients, we need 2 ripe bananas. We will mash them. If they are small bananas, you can use 3 bananas. We have a half cup of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cup of flour, half cup of raisins, half cup to a cup of chopped walnuts, 2 eggs room temperature, half cup of sugar, no, 3/4 cup of sugar. You can make half of it white sugar and half brown. And we have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half teaspoon of salt. I didn't make the whole half because my butter is salted. And for the bacon, for the pan, I grease it with the butter and sprinkle some flour, and I put it in the freezer until that I mix all the ingredients. And also I'm preheating the oven 350 Fahrenheit. The time I mix all the ingredients, the oven will be heated. Start with mashing the bananas. This banana bread is so easy to make. The ripe bananas have a very nice sweet smell to them. That's it. Now I will add the eggs, room temperature. And we add the sugar, 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix. Add the baking powder, baking soda, salt and cinnamon. And the vanilla extract. Mix. Add the melted butter. Now we can add the flour. And mix. Don't over mix when you do the flour. You see, it's a very easy banana bread. And now we can add the nuts. You can add the golden raisins or the regular raisins. Now I will use only the spatula. That's it. Don't overmix it. That was the loaf pan that I just took out the freezer. Pour all this dough, the cake mix on it. Now we try to spread the dough even, or the cake mix even in the pan. Like that. That's it. It's very easy, you can make it. Then we do this movement like that. If there is any air or bubbles of air inside, will come to the top. And my oven was preheated for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I will put it in the oven in the middle rack and bake it for 50 minutes. That's my banana bread after 15 minutes in the oven. It's brown from the outside, and you have like 45 minutes to 50 minutes. You have to put a skewer or a piece or the knife in the middle to see if it's well done and cooked. Like if it's not, you have to add a few minutes. But for me, 15 minutes was enough. Like it's all done from the inside too. It's brown from the outside, but it's done from the inside. It don't take less than 15 minutes. If you make 40 minutes, 35, it will be all doughy from the inside. As you see here, after it cools off, I slice it. It's brown from the outside and it's moist from the inside, delicious and nutritious. This recipe is really good. Let me know in the comments if you try it, how did you like it? And see you next time in a new video, a new recipe. Enjoy!